How to fix iMessage not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Check if iMessage is enabled. For that, launch Settings, scroll all the way down, and navigate to the option Apps. Now, from the list of apps, find Messages and launch it. Make sure you have enabled the option iMessage. In case you have disabled this option, enable it. Next, ensure you are signed into your Apple ID. You're gonna find this option, Send and Receive. Confirm your sign-in with your Apple ID and make sure your phone number or email is checked. Next, check your internet connection. For that, head back to the main page of settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, and click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a first restart to your router, and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. Next, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary iMessage glitches. Next, check the date and time. For that, navigate to the option General, scroll down, and click on the option Date and Time. Enable the option Set Automatically. Incorrect time settings may prevent iMessage from activating. Next up, sign out and sign in back to your Apple ID. For that, click on your Apple ID given at the very top, then click on Sign Out. Wait for a few minutes and then sign in back. Likewise, update your iOS, so navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your iOS to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, reset your network settings. For that, head back, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, then click on Reset Network Settings. Go through the process. So, these are some fixes for iMessage not working on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.